Two-factor authentication. It's supposed to be the ultimate shield for your accounts, right? Wrong. Hackers are out there right now, using sneaky tricks to bypass two-factor authentication and break into any account, yours included. Welcome to Cyberflux, where we dive deep into the dark side of cybersecurity. Today, I'm exposing the shocking methods hackers use to crack two-factor authentication. Stick around, because this could save your digital life. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe on button and ring the bell so you never miss a hack-busting tip. Let's get started. What is 2FA? First, a quick recap. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. You enter your password, then get a code, usually via text, email, or an authenticator app. Sounds bulletproof, right? Well, hackers have found some seriously clever ways to exploit it. How hackers bypass two-factor authentication. Let's break down the top 3 methods hackers use to bypass two-factor authentication. Buckle up, because this gets wild. 1. Phishing attacks. Hackers create fake login pages that look identical to the real ones. You enter your password and two-factor authentication code, and boom, they've got both. These phishing scams are getting so sophisticated, even tech pros can get fooled. Pro tip: always double-check the URL before logging in. 2-point SIM swapping. This one's terrifying. Hackers trick your phone carrier into transferring your number to their SIM card. Once they control your number, they intercept your 2FA texts or calls. This is how celebs and crypto investors get hacked. Protect yourself by setting a PIN with your carrier and avoiding oversharing personal info online. 3. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Hackers can intercept your two-factor authentication codes in real time using malware or compromised Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi at coffee shops? Total hacker playground. Always use a VPN and keep your devices updated to dodge this one. How to protect yourself. Now, let's talk defense. Here's how to lock down your accounts like Fort Knox. 1. Use authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy instead of SMS-based two-factor authentication. They're way harder to hack. 2. Enable biometric two-factor authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID when available. 3. Never reuse passwords. Use a password manager. 4. Stay paranoid. If a login page looks even slightly off, don't enter your details. 5. Turn on account recovery alerts to spot suspicious activity fast. Want to dive even deeper into cybersecurity? Check out my Patreon page for exclusive tutorials, hacking demos, and tools to keep you one step ahead of the bad guys. The link is in the description. Join the Cyberflux crew today. Also, drop a comment below. Have you ever been hit by a phishing scam or SIM swap? Let's share war stories and tips to stay safe. And if you found this video eye-opening, smash that like button and share it with your friends. It could save their accounts. That's it for today's deep dive into the dark world of 2FA hacks. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next video. Signing off from Cyberflux. Peace out.